Hi guys, it's Corey from C5. I just wanted to take a second to show you our Rancher Bale Bed. This is our non-dumping bale bed, comes standard with synchronized arm action.
I'm Greg Molitor. I'm here with C5 Manufacturing today. I really enjoy this bed. I like this here long part, and that bed puts it right there towards the front where I can put two up here, and they ride so much nicer when they're all the way forward. Got the receiver hitch. We put the toolboxes on it. They're strong, but they're not very heavy. And I like the single wheel pickup. I can get around the mud so much better.
It is a very well built bed. If you do not need to dump, this would be a good option for you to consider. It is a little more economical, but it still carries all the features that every bale bed on the market has. It will last for years and years. You'll probably put it on more than one truck.
There you have it.